Alright, y'all, doing a little work on the 58. It's winter time, so don't get too much times where there's sunshine, so did a little bit here, just popping off the hubcap. These things are all rusted out. Spraying them with a little WD-40 to see if those lug nuts are going to be able to crank loose on the strong enough. It's strong enough to take these lug nuts off, hopefully. So today, just taking these hubcaps off here. I'm going to see just how much rust this old Apache's got. Obviously, there's a lot of rust on the sheet metal. Look at that. You can see what bottle. Someone got a Pepsi in there. You can see that. There's a Pepsi can coming out of the rear part of this cabin. That's where they say most of the metal goes bad on these things. But the bed is solid. And I like this bumper. Yeah, got to work on this door too. Keeps wanting to catch right here, even just trying to open this up. See how it's stiff right here. But let's get these hubcaps off and see if we can get some real wheels on here, so it can at least be a roller. Let's check it out. These are some rusty old hubcaps. Rusting right through. Never know what you'll find. Pop these joints off. Look at that. For all you restoration experts out there, it's still got some life to it. Oh, the rust isn't too bad in this one as much as it was on that one. Some spider webs. So my goal and our goal is to see if we can get these rims to still be cleaned up and hold a tire, and hopefully get it retired, and that way we can move it around. Because right now, how it is, how flat they are and corroded, this thing doesn't move easy at all. Spraying some WD-40 on there. Hopefully these lug nuts will come off for us. Pray for them. This tire might be the worst of all of them on how messed up it is. This thing sits all the way down on the ground. How about that? Well, I guess that's what you mean with trial by fire.
Let's see.
Alright, last one, and it's back here in the corner, so it's tight. Well, looks like she wants to give. Come on out. Ooh. This one might be the worst rust. Sheesh. Look at that. Still salvageable? That's rough. Whatever paint that was in here is peeling off too. This one's probably the most depressing. It's a lot of rust.
On these heads, on these lug nuts.
We got them off. That's rough, man. This thing's been sitting out in the storms out here in Utah, probably for the majority of its life. Alright, so here's all the hubcaps. WD-40 on all of them to see if the bolts will come up, so the lug nuts. Put a little bit of WD-40 on this door hinge. It might be more of the door hinge that doesn't want to move than it is that it's pinching in this corner. Let's see. Might have cleared it a little. Got it open, alright. Put a little bit on these hinges over here. See if that doesn't help anything. There's the plate with all the info on it. And yeah, you can see. Look at all that. We won't dive into it too much. So, some closer views. What do you guys think? I don't think the door hinges are too bad. I just don't know why it's rubbing like that. Maybe it's back in there. Sounds like it's more from up on top here. I don't know. Well, it's better than where it was. I'll just pause for now on this, but you get a quick little look inside. All right. I'll drop it.
That looks a little dangerous.
Go ahead.
Tires are off. Whoa.